to the second match of Wednesday's triple header here at the Maharashtra Cricket Association Stadium in Gahunze, Pune. And it's the second match of the Adani WMPL 2025 for the day.
It's Kiran Navgire and the Raigad Royals. They won the toss, and for a change, they're going to be bowling first.
Raigad Royals have been eliminated from the contest to make it to the final because Solapur Smashers became the second team after Pune Warriors to seal their place in this title clash, and that's going to be happening later this week. For now, all eyes on the playing personnel of both teams led by Hasabnis and Navgire. Look out for Mukta Magre, the vice captain of the Smashers. Aisha Sheikh, of course, bringing some big hitting muscle in the middle order of the Royals. Been a standout find for this tournament.
Ishwari Saukar, the player of the match in the previous game, scored a brilliant 70 odd runs. On the other hand, Ishwari Avsare was not able to open their account.
ईश्वरी पठारे 4 मैचेस खेल चुकी है, 1 विकेट.
Well, we are all set. Wednesday triple header. Isha Pathare with the ball in hand. Early inward movement on display here from the medium pacer. Safkar lunges forward and caresses this through the covers.
और ये शफल किया है, बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, कमाल का शॉट. 1 बाउंस, 2 बाउंस, चौका. पता नहीं बल्लेबाज क्यों ऐसे बड़े बड़े शॉट मारने की कोशिश करते, पर यहाँ पर कमाल का टाइमिंग. यहाँ पर चौका. ओवर.
Safkar charges down, almost took out the other Ishwari at the other end. Excellent looking.
मैच में मेडन ओवर डाल दिया. बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर, फ्लिक कर दिया है चौके के लिए. अच्छा टाइमिंग.
In 2 deliveries. Thick edge evades wicketkeeper Bhavika Ahire. Make that the 3rd 4 on the trot. What a fine performance. This is turning out to be from the wideish slip in place, but doesn't matter because Ishwari Safkar has decided to go in the frontal V, and she does it with aplomb. A 4 to her.
अब मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे स्काउट्स उनको देख रहे होंगे WPL के लिए. ये शॉट कमाल लगा है जी. बहुत देर के बाद ये बाउंड्री आई है. 12 गेंदों के बाद ये बाउंड्री मिली है यहाँ पे, और इस शॉट में क्लास थी. रॉयल्स देखेंगे ना, पूरे मैच तक है ना वो अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली नहीं है. ये शॉट भी क्लास लगा है भाई. 15 वर्षीय अवसरी ने क्लास शॉट लगाया है. और आखिरी
She struck that cleanly. In fact, it'll go the distance. 15-year-old Ishwari Avsare is playing a little gem. 60 for no loss in 9.
Sweeps behind square. Fielder will cut it off. No, the ball.
This Wednesday triple header. Look at this lunge forward nicely. Sure, one hand came off the bat, but there was enough muscle and menace in that sweep to beat that fielder. Shavni Desai, unfortunately, with that misfield.
Had an opportunity. This time nicely done there. Fielder will just watch the ball sail over the fence.
Avsare coming to the park.
These Ishwaris. Avsare brings out the big hit once again. A couple of bounces into the road.
This time down the ground. This is even better. What a way to bring up her half century.
Super batting, superb.
Oh, appeal, appeal, appeal. And the umpire's given. That's the first breakthrough.
To the naked eye, I can tell you that looked fairly close. Ishwari Avsare, the half-centurion, takes the DRS decision.
Timer झालेला आहे. They can't go for the review.
The tendency of that good delivery by Aditi. Yeah, could have been touch and go. Doesn't matter. She was late to take that DRS call. Was Avsare. Terrific hand. Nonetheless, Ishwari Avsare goes back for her first half century of the inaugural.
Shalmali Kshatriya is the new batter in. Have used a lot of bowling options today. That's off with a sweeper. The fielder nowhere in sight. That brings up the 100.
At the under 19 level. And look at that stroke from Ishwari Safkar, her namesake, came down the track and a square driven shot fetches her.
Waited, and this time nicely done once again. In the gap. Back-to-back boundaries here for Safkar as she brings up her 50. Her second half century in the tournament. Yes, this time once again, nicely done. Fielder, whoa! Sure.
Aisha Sheikh. But look at the commitment at the deep. Well, it will be adjudged a 4. But this was good intent on viewing from the fielders riding the boundary there. As for Ishwari Safkar,
दोनों में से एक ईश्वरी अभी तक मैदान में हाजिर है। तक तो जानी चाहिए ये टीम। शॉट बढ़िया है, सामने की तरफ खेलने की कोशिश, हवाई फायर, एक बाउंस, छोटी गेंद और ये भी जाएगी, रुकना पड़ेगा थोड़ा लेकिन ये भी जाएगी बाउंड्री की तरफ। अच्छा, अब ये गेंद हवा में जाएगी, ऊपर से खेलने की कोशिश है, हवाई फायर और ये 4 और एक बाउंड्री है। उनका टारगेट है अपने कप्तान को ही पीछे डालना। 13 से ज्यादा बाउंड्रीज वो मारेंगे आज, बिल्कुल।
Ishwari already hitting 12 boundaries, and this one didn't exactly go where she wanted, but the result is the same. She gets a boundary on that one, she gets a 4. Once it by 6, the fielder passes the fielder, it's difficult.
And then really go after the bowling once you get a good look. Look at that now. Now they're picking their boundaries at will. And
4 overs. Again, that was a very good pick, very good stroke. Bull shot, and she picks up the gap very well. We pick up the onus, these youngsters pick up the onus from the senior ones, and that is again a good shot. This looks like absolute net practice going on. And what a shot that one was, pitched just
at the moment is pretty kind on the players. It's just such good playing, and they're going to pick up 4 more. That is the 24th boundary of this
season of the Women's Maharashtra Premier League. And what a spectacle it's been. Again, a boundary there. Bowling shot on that one. There were 1 runs. First 2 balls for...
हो चुके अभी, आज इनका दिन है जी।
Finally, a wicket goes down. 8 now. Take a look at this for a catch.
A very good catch by Shravani Desai at covers. That was a sharp one. A little unlucky. Very good inning. Ishwari Safkar out on 78 and 166 for 2.
बढ़िया चीज है जी। आखिरी गेंद जोर से मारने की कोशिश और ये भी नहीं जाएगी। बढ़िया एफर्ट्स वहां पे बाउंड्री लाइन पर और बिल्कुल रोके 2 रन, 2 बचा लिए।
Kshatriya, what a knock she's played. 32 of 23. Will get plenty of support and cheers from the rest of the team. It's not been easy for Kiran Navgire and the Raigad Royals. It's been a hard season for them.
The score is Ishwari Safkar with 78 of 53. Ishwari Avsare, both the Ishwaris. Ishwari Avsare 52 of 44 and Chalmani.
The bowlers from the Raigad Royals, they only managed to pick up the 2 wickets, but as many as 8 different bowlers bowled this afternoon.
That's it.
Tejal Hasabnis and the Smashers will come out to defend that 169. The Raigad Royals will need to score 170 to pick up their first win this season. Stay tuned.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ 33 है, वो बेहतर करना होगा इनको। और लेकिन अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलें, अपने फैंस को दिखाएं कि इस टीम में कितनी काबिलियत है।
Nikita Singh will start off with some right arm medium pace in these conditions. Beautiful cover drive. A little fumble will get Kiran on strike.
और देखिए जिस तरीके से फील्ड,
And it's so heartening to see that. And it's so wonderful to see Kiran Navgire in full flow.
और इस ताकत की बातचीत करने से उम्मीद थी। यहाँ पे भी रन्स मिलेंगे, 4 ही मिलेंगे जी। पिछली 2 गेंद
Already gotten a move on. She says, I don't need the helmet now. The helmet's come. Oh, wow, she's given that a good swing. She is mighty powerful, Kiran Navgire.
ये मुझे और इन्हें फिर बिल्कुल सीधे मारा है जी। आप कहीं पे भी फील्डर लगा लीजिए। ये फिर चलिए, लीजिए, विकेट मिल गई है। कमाल किया शर्यू ने यहाँ पे। 2 गेंदों पे 8 आए थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे जबरदस्त कमबैक करी है इन्होंने। विकेट कीपर पीछे थे, बढ़िया है। आगे खड़े होते तो ये भी 4 हो जाते।
Entertainment had started. She gets a good edge. Smart piece of keeping. Man, that show would have been so good had it. But she departs for a quick fire 18 of 7. The Royals 20 for 1. Struck 18 in 7 deliveries. Oh, that's gone straight up. This time there's an opportunity and she will take it. In fact, it's Sharayu Kulkarni. She dropped the previous.
डेब्यू विकेट है, डेब्यू मुकाबले में निकिता के लिए। इसी ओवर में कैच छूटा था शर्यू से, लेकिन यहाँ कोई थी। शवनी देसाई को जाना पड़ेगा वापस। इन्होंने बनाए 2, 25 पे 2।
Time. That's what the first season of just outside the reach of backward point. They found who's in our ears all through the day. I have to tip my hat off to him as well. That is just a beautiful cover drive as well. Now, when they found it hard to get. That's another good shot. This could be 4 more. Opens the face of the bat. They're starting to get a bit of a move on.
With the ball in hand and asking questions of Bhavika Ahire. Loud appeal, but the umpire is unmoved.
Okay. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Original decision was not out. I need to revoke the decision. Nehri, you need to reverse your decision. Stand by. I'll let you know when you're on screen. You're on screen.
Parts for an 11-ball 10 in the 6th over. Yet another find of this tournament. A compact all-round. Social media platforms. Oh, she's bowled her. Aditi has to depart because Gayatri has taken her out in her very first over.
Urvase bowling that one, coming inside and played on. Didn't really connect it well, didn't really play the ball according to that merit, and that is Aditi Gaikwad goes to the pavilion on 9.
On 44 for 4.
And the required run rate is also 9.94, and this is how they approach it. Gets
back of a length delivery, punch off the back foot, glorious stroke that from 10th over coming up. Big heave in the leg side. Fielder is only a mere spectator. 6 off the bat of coming up. Big heave in the leg side. Fielder is only a mere spectator.
Runs in 20 balls. A pitch in the air and she plays it in the gap and the ball will race away to the fence. Excellent start to the 11th over.
और थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग फुट भी है, हल्का सा देखेंगे ना, इसी वजह झटका लगता है। थोड़ा सा झटका बल्लेबाज को लगता है, लेकिन इस गेंद पे नहीं लगा। इस ओवर में दूसरी बाउंड्री आई है।
A pitch, fielder underneath it and a comfortable catch. A big wicket for the Solapur Smashers and half the side is done and dusted of the Royals as they lose their 5th wicket. For
Pratnya Virkar will depart for 16. They find themselves in a bit of a problem, the Royals.
22. The T20 format. A pitch in the air and that's a 6.
Excellent shot.
Steals a single. I think they'll go upstairs to check for the run.
Yeah, keep it rolling. The ball is collected. The batter has grounded her ground. You can freeze it here. I'm ready.
Masta, Laibari fielding effort. And an equally excellent stroke by Aisha. Anyway, bunk the school to watch a game of cricket.
Now, how far has that gone? Straight down the throat of Nikita Singh at deep mid-wicket.
और इसी वजह से तेजल लेके आई थी मुक्ता को कि विकेट की तलाश थी, और आते ही आयशा को आउट किया है जो बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग कर रही थी, कमाल की बैटिंग कर रही थी और बड़ी हिट्स लगा वो बैटर को आउट किया है। आयशा शेख बनाए 41। रायगढ़ रॉयल्स
Okay, the original decision is not out. Pitching is outside off, impact is outside off. So I'll go back to Neri on screen, please.
Yes, finally we have deliveries. This time dances down the track. And that's a 6. What a response after the longish break from Yashoda Gogre.
For that matter, we made sure that he bowled, and that is one which Mukta gets it right. She beats the batter, all ends up. Yashoda tries to step out, misses that one.
Next frame. Yeah, next frame. Next frame. Yes, the bail is completely dislodged from top of the stump. The batter is out of her ground. I am ready to repeat out.
And clear. Yashoda Gogre has gone for 14. It's 120 for 7. And wickets just fallen for Raigad Royals as Isha Pathare walks. Absolutely terrific with the deliveries. Oh, huge appeal there. Given. Given. No doubt in the mind of the umpire.
Roshni Pardi goes for 5. 120 for 8.
Janvi Virkar, the new batter in.
A lot from this thing, how to handle pressure, most importantly. And this is a bold shot by Nikita, and
lucky little head, cheeky by Isha Pathare. 2 back-to-back boundaries.
that was well.
Take some appeal.
Yeah, okay. So pitching is in line, impact is in line, and wickets is hitting. I need to go back to Neri on screen, please.
Billion for 13. It's 138 for 9. And that's the final delivery of this contest. Solapur Smashers have won this contest by 30 runs. Terrific all-round show.
For the matches ahead of them, and of course they've made most of it. Whenever you get those chances, you should always capitalize, and that's what both the Ishwaris have done in this.
Made 78, player of the match Ishwari Avsare 52, and Kshatriya contributed an unbeaten 32. In their response, Raigad Royals just could not get going as some accurate bowling by Solapur Smashers denied them, and in the end Solapur Smashers won by 30 runs.